If your cabinet does have the drawer extension leaf, I'm going to show you how to install it and put it away. So you'll see these two pinholes here along the edge of your cabinet, and if you pull out your top drawer, there are also two pinholes on the top of the drawer. So you'll take your drawer extension leaf, and you have two pins and two pins. So you want to line them up along the back first, hold the ledge in place, and take your hands underneath, grabbing that drawer, pulling it toward you until you hear those other two pins pop down. Now it's nice and secure. If you're not careful, the drawer won't be pulled out far enough, and you can risk pushing those pins onto the outside of the drawer. So always make sure you're using two hands to pull the drawer forward and push the leaf down. Now to put it away, you lift up and out, it pops up, and remember to always store those pins away from the edge of your cabinet so it doesn't mark and scratch your cabinet. So we will set them pins toward me and pins out and slide it down into that cubby area, and we have our soft close slide.